Meshnee, your little Einstein girl. Today, I'm going to read a story to you. Are you ready to listen to it? Let me read it to you now. The Lion and the Hare. Are you ready to go to the first page? Once there lived a lion in a forest. Every day, he would kill many animals to satisfy his hunger. Oh, poor little animals. The lion every day will kill the animals. Poor little animals. The unhappy animals say to him, what the hell? Your Highness, please stop hunting. We will send you an animal every day for your meal. The lion agreed happily. So one animal was sent to him for his meal every day. The animals make a deal with the lion and send him one animal every day. One day, it was a hare's turn to go to the lion. He walked slowly and took a long time reaching the lion. I think the hare is scared of the lion. And the hare walked slowly. I think he has a plan. The lion was angry. He asked the hare why he was so late. The hare acted wisely. He said that another lion had stopped him on the way. Oh, the hare lied to him and told to him another lion stopped him on his way. Let's see what will happen next, you guys. I escaped with great difficulty. He added, show me that lion. I will have him for dinner. The lion roared. Oh, the lion trusts him, you guys. The hare led the lion to a big well. The lion peered into the well and saw his own reflection in the water. Oh, the hare led the lion to a big well. He looked into the well and saw his own face. He thought it was the other lion. He jumped into the well to kill his own reflection. Oh, the lion didn't think. The lion is very greedy. The foolish lion was drowned. The animals were rid of the cruel lion and lived happily thereafter. Oh, the other animals was very happy. The moral is wisdom is stronger than strength. That's for today, you guys. Bye, everybody. Oh, don't forget to subscribe my channel, like my video. Bye, everybody. Oh, and share my videos.